Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was in search for the perfect mouse pad to finish off my office renovation, and I'm so happy with this customizable mouse pad I have from Style in Print. Because you're able to choose your own image, it is endless the possibilities of what you can create. And so I chose a sentimental photo, which was a picture of my father's sailboat. The quality of the image is outstanding. The thickness of the mouse pad is good as well, and my mouse glides over it well. So it works perfectly, just the way I wanted it to. It stays in place on my desk, and the image is gorgeous. I'm so happy with the quality of this image. I am convinced it's going to last me a long time, and that's really important to me because this picture was really important, and it's just a centerpiece, a focal point of my desk now. So a high quality mouse pad that you can customize, and the image is gorgeous. So I'm really pleased with this mouse pad, and that is my point of view.